Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower coaster. So for this project I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn and any color you can use for this project, and I have used 4 mm crochet hook and also we need scissor. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more new videos. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 1 chain, then make 12 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now slip stitch in this very first single crochet. Now work for round 2. So first make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So here I have got 2 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. So make 2 double crochet in each stitches up to end. It will turn total 24 double crochet including this chain. So here I have completed round 2. Now slip stitch in this top of chain. Now work for round 3. So we have to make the V stitch. So first make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Then make 2 chain. This chain 2 count as chain space. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So this is the first V stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet in next. Make 2 chain. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. This is the second V stitch. So let's see how to make the V stitch. skip one stitch, then make one double crochet, make 2 chain, then make one double crochet in same stitch. So this way make all the V stitch. So here I have completed the third round. Now slip stitch in this third chain, 1, 2 and 3 in this third chain. Now work for round 4. So we will make V stitch with 2 double crochet. First make slip stitch in this 2 chain space, then make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same chain space. So here I have got 2 double crochet, then make 2 chain, again make 2 double crochet in same chain space, 1 and 2. So this is the first V stitch. Make the second, make 2 double crochet in next chain space, 1 and 2, make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet in same chain space, 1 and 2. So this is the second V stitch. Let's see the pattern again. Make 2 double crochet in next chain space, 1 and 2, make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet in same chain space, 1 and 2. So this way make all the V stitches. So here I have completed round 4. Now slip stitch in this top of chain. Now work for round 5. So now make the petal. So first make 1 chain, then make 7 double crochet in this chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So make the second petal, make 7 double crochet in this 2 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So let's see the pattern again. Make 7 double crochet in this 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So this way make all the petals. So here I have completed all the petals. Now in the last slip stitch in this very first stitch, now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now secure this yarn with needle, or you can use crochet hook also. So I am using crochet hook in this back side. Now cut all this extra yarn. So this is the beautiful flower coaster. Thanks for watching.